Hello, how are you? I hope each and everyone is doing absolutely good. In this video, we will going to cover control and coordination. What is coordination and control? Control means simply managing and regulating different body functions together. Understood? And coordination means making different organs work together smoothly, comfortably. Smoothly here means comfortably. That's called coordination. Now move on. Why is needed? Why control and coordination needed? Control and coordination needed to respond to changes the stimuli. Stimuli means external factor which force to do some respond to our receptor by effector organ. Receptor to effector organ. And next, why needed? Understood. In why needed? Next, to maintain balance in proper functioning. To maintain balance. Balance, what does balance mean? Equilibrium of body and proper functioning. Proper functioning is continuous and with proper order of functioning. Now, human nervous system. Human nervous system. The nervous system control action using electrical messages called nerve impulse. Mainly, we know and you also know the nervous system and controls the action in human body by using what? By using electrical messages. Electrical messages help us to control our body, which is called nerve impulse. With the help of nerve impulse, what electrical message supply transmits. Understood? Now, main parts of nervous system is called, first one is cell nervous system, central nervous system, yani CNS. First one is brain and second one is spinal cord. And second nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system means PNS. All nerves from brain and spinal cord. We know already what? All nerves, all types of nerves which are belong from where? Brain and spinal cord. Have you seen? Olfactory nerve, optic nerve, oculomotor, trigeminal, cochlear. In this way, 12 pair of number of cranial nerve. Understood? Cranial nerves means brain nerves. Understood? Spinal nerves are 31 pair. We will discuss further whenever our topic will be advanced, then we will study about that. And third one is autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system means auto means self. Autonomic means actions. Those nervous system which works self, involuntary, without the help of our mood, without help of our brain. It is permanently active, permanently in action whenever a person is alive, such as breathing. It can't stop. Digestion, it cannot be stopped if a person is live, if a human being is live. These all three cannot be stopped. Understood? Structure of neurons. Structure of neurons means neurons, basically it is unit of nervous system. Parts of neurons we will state, and the structure of neuron in this way, such as this type. We can say, yeah, this is what? Axon, which cover the, and this is cell body. This is dendrites. What is this? Dendrites. And this is nerve ending, means axon terminal. This is, and this is axon which carries message, which transmit the message very fast. cell body. This whole part is cell body. Understood? And this the tiny hair like grass like parts, which is dendrite, which receive the message. Understood? In this way, we'll discuss this image structure. What the parts of neuron say? Dendrite receive the messages. Cell body contains nucleus. Axon carries messages. Axon terminal send message to the next neuron. Understood? Message travel as electrical impulse. In what way message travels? Message travels in electrical impulse. How reflex actions work? How? Let me see. Reflex means quick, automatic action to protect body. We have ever seen hand withdraw from hot object. Whenever we touch a very hot substance object, then we suddenly remove our hand. That's a reflex, quick, autonomic action to protect our body. Understood? Reflex arc. Reflex arc means stimulus, receptor, sensory neuron, spinal cord, motor neuron. Yeah. Motor neuron, muscle response. In this path, our reflex arc stimulate. First of all, stimulus, and then receptor, and then sensory neuron, and then it go into spinal cord, and then motor neuron, and it send the to muscle, and then response to the further action. Brain is not involved at the moment of action. Why? Because it saves time. Understood? Human brain. Human brain parts and function. But parts, the first part is forebrain, which is largest part, the brain. And a forebrain in we are watching here cerebrum. Cerebrum means what is the function of it? Thinking, memory, intelligence, senses such as touches, taste, smell, hear, vision. Understood? Midbrain. Midbrain controls eye movement and coordination of head ear movement. Coordination of head means the movement of head. What? Movement of head. How does our head move from left, right, front? Understood? Up, down. In this eye movement, whenever we watching or we looking at object with the our eye is travel with that also. Have you ever experienced? And the third one is hindbrain. Hindbrain contains cerebellum and medulla. Cerebellum content for balance, posture, function of cerebellum. Understood? It balance our body. It give a posture of our body. It is a smooth movement done by the cerebellum. Understood? Medulla. Medulla oblongata. It's another name. It's control only involuntary actions such as breathing, heartbeat, blood pressure. We have seen earlier. Brain protected by skull means what? Cranial bone. Meaning meninges, membrane layer. What is meninges? Meninges is a membrane layer found in brain. Okay. Cerebrospinal fluid, which shock absorber. Sometimes we experience a attack on our brain, then we observe a shock. But then that this cerebrospinal fluid absorb the shock of that accident, that harmful effect on our brain. It observes coordination in plants. In plants, how does the coordination occur? Plants do not have brain or nerves. We know also plants don't have any brain and nerves. They coordinate by hormones. First one, hormones and movement due to stimuli. With the help of hormone and with the help of stimuli, it coordinates. Understood? Type of plants movement. Type of plants movement. Tropic movements, which is diagonal. Plant parts bend towards the away from stimuli. How does the plant bend towards? There are two cases only. Plant bend towards or away from the stimuli. Understood? And then we are going to see phototropism. Phototropism, stimulus which is light should bends towards the light, but should bends towards the light. In geotropism, stimulus act as gravity. Gravity is act as stimulus. In this case, root to grow downward due to gravity. Thigmotropism. Thigmo means only stimulus, touch stimulus at here. Tendrils coil around support. We have ever seen a tendrils types plants rounded a hard body of the some shape. It acts at the touch. Without touch, it can't tendril coil form. Without touch, it can't form coil. Hydrotropism. In this stimulus is water. Root grows toward moist area. We have seen aquatic plant which is grow in water. Then the root grows towards the moist area, the place where a large amount of moisture. Then in that area the roots grow due to water. Due to moist area means moisture content, large content moisture. Chemotropism means simply chemicals. What chemicals is stimulus? Pollen tube grow toward ovule. How does the pollen tube generate towards ovule? Pollen tube generates due to the stimulus of chemical. Understood? Nastic movement. Nastic movements means non-directional movement. This response does not depend on direction of stimulus. It is not based on the direction of stimulus because have you seen touch-me-not plant Mimosa pudica? Its scientific name fold leaves. When we touch it, then it folds its leaves. Understood? Closing of lotus and diet. Have you seen? In a day, the lotus flower open its what? Leaf or petals, flower parts. But in case of night, it closes itself. And the next one is plant hormone, which is photohormone. First one is auxin. What does it help? It helps in growth of root and shoot. Causes bending of plant towards light. Auxin, what does auxin help? Helps in growth and roots and shoot. Root and shoot help in growth. Causes bending of plant towards light. Gibberellins. Stem elongation helps in strong elongation. And gibberellins help in breaking of seed dormancy. Cytokinin help in cell division. Delay aging of leaves. Which delay? Aging of leaves. Abscisic acid, ABA. Abscisic acid which inhibits the growth and causes wilting. It is called also stress hormone. Now, next one is hormone in human endocrine system. What type of hormone? which found in human endocrine system. Hormones means chemical messengers released by glands in human body. Major endocrine glands. We'll say first pituitary gland, which is called also master gland. Growth hormone control all the other glands. Thyroid gland secrete thyroxine hormone, controls metabolism. Parathyroid, which contain calcium balance. Pancreas, which secrete insulin to lower the blood sugar. Whenever in our body the blood sugar is increased, then insulin helps to lower the blood sugar. Glucagon increase the blood sugar. Adrenal gland is emergency hormone, helps in flight or fight situation. Whenever we feel fear, then in this case adrenal gland acts. Increased heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure due to adrenal gland. Due to adrenal gland, not it secretes, and with the help of adrenal gland, heartbeat increase, breathing, blood pressure. Testy. What is testy content? Testosterone, which is male gamete, male secondary character. Okay, now thank you. In this video is going to be end. For the next video, be continue and share to your friends also, and subscribe for more.